JD is taking his vet. Got old Dixie and bringing the vet out to the track, so it should be a fun day. Finally at the track, boys. All right, we got the Corvette at the track. We are at Piedmont Dragway. Never been to this track before, but we're basically doing a shakedown to make sure the Corvette is good for Fuel Fest, which we're doing in 2 weeks.
Let's do the big track. Let's do the big track. Let's go do the big track. Yeah. All right, I'm leading now. We got 2 people behind us. Pretty fun with the elevation changes, I'm not gonna lie. Here we go, boys. No, I hit lock stops. Hold on.
You did what? What happened?
I hit lock stops. What's up? The what?
Where you switch past that pole and we're still giving it gas. Like, you see how he's stopping?
Yeah, that's exactly.
You were gassing.
So I thought you said after this you can't drift.
After this pole right here, you cannot drift.
Okay.
Not this pole. This is
okay.
to the pit.
Okay.
That should be. Yes, sir. That pole right there is
okay. You got to remember, I'm not from here.
Well, were you at the driver's meeting?
I was. Yeah, you said.
I pointed at that pole. That was where the truck is. I pointed right at that.
So keep this in mind. You're standing over there. You just point that direction. How?
I know what I pointed. I've done this driver's meeting for a lot of years.
Right. And this is the first driver's meeting I've been to. You got to understand, this direction and this direction are the same thing, relatively speaking.
Okay. Well, now to clarify it, that pole right there is where we stop. This right here is not safe.
Yeah.
Because there usually are more people put it right here.
Yeah. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
But yeah, I mean, the track official being mean, especially to new people, that just is going to turn new drifters off from coming and drifting. So I mean, if they want to see the sport grow, it's okay to have rules, but I mean, at least communicate it. 1, communicate it clear. 2, be kind. Like, there's no reason not to be kind. All right, we're going with 3 people out.
A few moments later.
Let me just let it cool down for a second. Oh yeah, she's spewing, boys. Spewing.
Running over.
Yeah, 253.
All right, we are getting some tap water because I did not bring any distilled water, so that was smart of me. And as you can see, that looks like great stuff to put in your engine. Definitely gonna have to flush the car after this trip. All right, so we got this lovely tap water. Lovely South Carolina tap water that looks yellow.
I don't know if you can see it on the...
Yeah, we're gonna be putting this in. But there's a process to this. What I do is I take the little breather valve off right here. Oh, of course, these are some raggedy pliers. Woo! She's a squirter. Alright, that's step one. Step two is to pop off this hose and then pour the water in directly to that hose. No idea why this works, but this is what works. Alright, there's that. Okay, it's gonna be hot. Oh, she's a steam engine, boys. If y'all know why this is happening, if you own a C5 or C6 and this happens to you, please let me know what it is, because I have no idea. Oh, it's so hot. I have no idea why this happens. Once it starts coming out of the faucet, then it'll be good. Yeah, so now that it's coming out down there, wait, maybe not, we need more. There we go. All right, you can see how it's coming out down there. Nope, need more. There we go. This beautiful water. I honestly might have to get more, which sucks because it's a bit of a walk. Let me see if I can make this work. There we go. That puppy back on. All right, one more step. So you're gonna take your upper radiator hose, this big black thing. You're just gonna take both hands, wrap it around the girth of it, and squeeze it and let go. Squeeze it and let go. We're pushing the air out of the lines. I'll do this probably like 20 times, honestly. Just squeeze this big black hose. Oh yeah, 198, 196, 194. We are good to go, boys. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's get back to shredding.
All right, running 4 cars deep. This guy's been shredding, so I'm gonna try to get a little closer to him. He's been really consistent, hasn't really spun out. Actually, I'm gonna go drive some more with them. That was gnarly. Corvette friend. He's never been tandeming before, but I convinced him to tandem. So love that, you know, people that are new to the sport are willing to try new things. I just explained to him, like, don't worry about me. I'm not going to get too close since it's your first time. Run your line, and we'll see if we can still make it entertaining. I think just 2 Corvettes tandeming just looks cool. C5 on C5 action, baby. So good, so good. Dude, that was incredible. For your first time, that was amazing. Yeah, you could not tell that that was your first time tandeming. That was real good.
Yeah, like you said, man, I just tried to focus on my line.
Yeah.
And then I heard your pause. And then that's where, like,
I waited until I got to the turn that you said you were comfortable with.
Yeah.
And then I started putting a little bit of pressure on you, and you did phenomenal. So I was like, I'm going to stay with you the rest of the run. At the end, your hand was out. I was like, oh, he's having a blast.
Yeah. That was so fun.
Let me just lower tire pressure a little bit because they're at the end of their life. So I'm going to just let some air out and we'll rock and roll, dude.
Okay, do you need a tire pressure?
Oh, yeah, if you got one, that'll work. That works, man. Yeah. I thought that was the last run of the day, but apparently we're doing one more. He wants to follow me now, and I will happily oblige. Love seeing people just progress. Has never tandemed before, but you could never tell. Waiting on your call.
absolute shredder. Alright, later, dude. That was sick, dude. That was nuts, dude. You were on me. This is my tuner J Speed. He's got a C5 as well. If you need any tuning, he's the one that dials in both of my cars. He's only an hour and a half from here, so.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
I love you.
Bro, look at you, man. Look at you. Never tandemed before. On my ass the whole time.
I thought I was in the sim there for a second. I'm sorry.
Hell yeah, man. Worth it, dude. I'm about to head out, but yeah, man. Nice meeting you in person, dude. Yeah, let me know. Hey, do you want to wait? We're about to get, unless you want to just go. Or do you want to wait? I'm just taking her to the truck and we're leaving. Yeah. Do you need gas? Okay.
Did you say I messaged you? I don't believe I did.
Yeah, I thought you did.
No, did I? I know there was a guy out of Florida who was at Corvette. I thought that's who I spoke to. Did I message you? It's Austin Smith STI. That's why I was a little. Oh my God. Yeah, it is me. Wait. I didn't recognize you. I'm sorry for that again, dude. Man. Bro, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Be safe. Safe travels, dude.
Hey, that's me.
Dude, that is so sick.
Okay.
Dude, follow, bro.
I already did. Yeah,
Dude,
I already did.
Thanks. Hope you have a good day.
Later. Huh? Yeah. Good stuff.
Following you.
Alright. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This one was a lot more fun. Back to the action finally. Definitely gonna be back at this track. If this is your local track, leave me a comment on when you're gonna be here next. I'll definitely make sure I can try to come back. A lot of fun.